Look at this. Mackerel baked in foil is a true protein powerhouse, a healthy fish recipe packed with nutrients and omega-3s. And the best part is effortlessly easy and relatively quick to prepare. First, you got to pick the perfect specimen. Fresh mackerel must have a mirror silver skin with a deep neon blue tint. If it's yellowing or dull, keep walking, it's not fresh. Larger fish are fatter and softer, while smaller ones are drier and firmer. Choose to your taste. I personally prefer a medium-sized one. It's much easier to gut the fish when it's partly frozen. No mess, the carcass keeps its shape. If you prep it at home, it's the perfect easy campfire recipe. Incredibly convenient. Off the head and tail. A confident slice from head to tail. Remove the innards. Done. Now we make a few shallow scores so the marinade penetrates deep into the flesh. Adding soy sauce and spices. For the spices I'm using soy sauce, dried garlic and smoked paprika. Mix it. Now we wrap it. Use double layers of the foil. This is our safety shield. It ensures the fish has zero chance of burning. This is the best way to bake mackerel in foil. The fire doesn't need to be too hot. Medium temperature is fine. But remember, the more charcoal, the better. Next step is simple. 15 minutes, flip it, and 50 minutes more. While waiting, you have time for a side dish or garnish. 20 minutes are up and fish is ready. Let's reveal the magic. This aroma. Absolutely mesmerizing. The beauty of foil is that you don't need extra dishes. You can rob the leftovers for dinner later. Split it along the spine. And now the final. Velvety pesto for one side. I love pesto. And fresh lime for another. I adore pesto with fish. My stomach is literally growling. Moment of truth. Unbelievable. There's 10 Michelin stars. No, make it 20. Mm. Mm. Refreshing lime and herbal pesto. I hope you give this a try. Mm. You're going to love it. Stay with me for more exciting and simple ways for cook. And remember, if you subscribe it, you're invited. Look at this subscribe button below. Done? Bye bye.